Hi, I'm Lori Fangio with Around the Table, and today I'm in the kitchen showing you how to do Italian chicken and broccoli bake. It's going to be delicious. So let's get started. First of all, I've marinated my chicken with Italian dressing, and so I've done that, and that's been marinating for an hour or so. And I filled my baking dish with some instant brown rice, and to this I'm going to add broccoli, and I'm just going to add it in just like this, and then I'm going to add some chicken stock, just a whole can of chicken stock. In addition to the chicken, I'm also going to add water because we're going to need a little bit more liquid for that rice to get all nice and fluffy. So I'm going to add some water, and now I'm ready to add my chicken. And this chicken is going to be really juicy and delicious because it's been marinating in the Italian dressing. So I'm just going to put it in the baking dish like this. And because it's chicken, I still want to give it a little bit more salt and a little bit of pepper, just so it has lots of great flavor. And that's all there is to it. We're just going to put this into a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes until your chicken is done. And just before it's finished, we're going to sprinkle it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese right on top. It's going to be delicious. And once again, I'm Lori Fangio, and we've been in the kitchen today making Italian chicken and broccoli bake. Remember to take some time with your family to make those connections around the table. See you next time.